Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Consider to make this delicious Phyllo Crinkle Cake. It's so good.